You cannot digest what they dish out. You are not equipped. You are not made for the stuff. It chokes you. It's too tough for you. You know why? Because of you are not an eagle if you act like that. But only eagle that go through the process of pain and say, I'm ready to take off. Amen. But chickens, they will find excuses, lame excuses, just not to be there. Because they don't have what it must have to take. Prophets like it. I met people that were serving with me. The first thing I'm telling you, we have never found a preacher like you. They tell me that. But we were coming up right. We decided to take another way. But in the Shire, we know you to be the person you are. You haven't changed a bit. I think Peter Buzumbuzo. Utu Jesu nakababuza, do you also want to go? Utu Peter, singaya bubana. Ngoba wona iqiniso. Nala ask you, niyakuphi nonsuka ngoba la kuneqiniso. Angindvini. Choice here, and you'll never find a better truth than this. You don't hear me. You don't hear me. When they call black, black, and white, white, when they tell you where to get off, Michael says, there's some feelings, not this black boy. I'm not here to nest anybody's feeling. Here, as rach of vech, but you'll come back, you'll find me standing. With the same word you left me with. Amen. Thank you, sir. 23 say, buy the truth and sell it not. Also wisdom in instruction and understanding. There are people that bought the truth. There are people who walk in the path of righteousness. But there came a time they got tired. They started to take shortcuts. In other words, they had the truth and they sold it out. Judas Iscariot was with the truth and he sold his truth. And in return, he received eternal damnation to hell. Because what? He traded with the truth. You must never sell the truth. No matter how bitter it is, die with the truth in your bosom. Once you sell the truth, you're left with nothing. And the enemy say, come. Amen.